Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel. Wanted to go over a chart we've been looking at for the last couple months. Finally getting the potential breakout we're looking for. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now what I really like about this stock is, first of all, the huge momentum on the left hand side of the cup, about a 5 BMI breakout before we get the pullback BR1, so really strong energy coming off of the breakouts of consolidation zones. So we basically got a Cat 2 pullback inside of the cup, just tested right above the 28-hour psychological price point, and so pretty strong breakout. Let's look at the BMI here, about 1.2 BMI going into the handle pullback. That was a TM4 cycle there again. TM1 first cycle down, TM2 plus there, TM4, and then a short handle, probably about 10 to 13 day cycle on that. And so we're getting up back up near that original pivot over here, that $50 price point. And again, when you have this kind of momentum going into that potential breakout over here, there's no telling where this can go. This, again, 5 BMI over here. Could have gunned those highs off of the IPO, certainly could. But right now it looks really, really good. But expect possibly once we get above this handle area for a several week consolidation PBC zone, like right here. You have one over here, 8 or 9 days or so. It's pretty common when you get a breakout to a new high to have a little bit of congestion before it follows through. But so far it looks pretty good. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. And scrolling back and looking at the big picture here in the original breakout here in May of 2023, this was a Cat 3 down in the base TY1 cycle set up about right there. We basically had about a 1.2 BMI breakout coming off the $10 psychological price point. Then it looks like a TD9 on the pullback. Yeah, TD9 cycle on the pullback. And really strong breakout. Good for about 3.5 plus BMI out of that little trough. But very powerful long-term cycles. And again, why you should really pay attention to these, how these cycles set up. Because if you had caught it right here, you basically would have had about a 6-7 month trade. Again, with a huge breakout of the base. If you had just cut back into that demand zone from that first 2023 bottom there, you would have been in very close to the bottom, caught close to that full 5 BMI. So excellent big trend. I think we're going to get another good breakout, potentially gunning that upper trend line first above the $100 price point. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.